Nalubabo kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga. Today is my daughter's 8th birthday. And alam niyo naman yung situation, mahirap lumabas kasama ng mga bata. Good thing, nandito na ang Lalamove sa Pampanga. So we don't need to go outside. Actually, hindi ko to in-order physically dun sa store. I just needed to book an order and delivery and Lalamove does the job. So we ordered our favorite pizza, barbecue, seafood, chicken for the kids. Of course, yung cake natin for the birthday celebrant. In addition to that, if you are a startup business or an SME, small medium enterprise business, kayang-kaya po kayong tulungan ng Lalamove. So for example, you have to deliver your products to your customer and wala pa po kayong budget for delivery services, you can use Lalamove app para po stay connected tayo sa mga customer natin. So there you have it guys. Kung hindi pa po installed ang Lalamove sa inyong cellphone, make sure to check them out sa Google Play at saka sa iOS Store. Napakasimpleng gamitin. Just pin the pick-off location and then yung drop-off location and then that's it. Your order will be done. Isa pa doon, napakamura po ng kanilang mga delivery services. So thank you so much Lalamove. We're gonna celebrate our birthday with my daughter. Thanks so much for watching Where in Pampanga. Bye!